Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So in this video we are going to discuss the Shiba Inu price prediction. What's going on in the Shiba Inu, what's the price and what's the latest update of the Shiba Inu. In this video I will share the latest update, so keep watch this video complete and never miss any second of this video, my friends. And in this video we are also going to discuss the future of the Shiba Inu. Is in the future the price of Shiba Inu is pump or dump? So we are going to discuss. Keep watch this video complete, my friends. So first of all, my friends, if we look the price update of the Shiba Inu, you can see here that that's really a good news. That's really a congratulation news for all of you, that positive 2.73% the price increase in the last one day. In the last 24 hours, the Shiba Inu price pump 2.73%. So that's, I think that's really a good amount of profit, my friends. So congratulations, my friends. On the other hand, if you look the price chart of the Shiba Inu, so you can see here, my friends, in the beginning of a day, the Shiba Inu taken a good jump, my friends. In the beginning, you can see here, my friends, in the beginning the price of the Shiba Inu take a pump, but after some time interval, after some passage of time, the Shiba Inu price start falls down. You can see here, my friends, and I think quick falls down over in the Shiba Inu, my friends. And again after falls, again gradually, my friends, gradually, slowly the Shiba Inu price start increasing, my friends, start pumping, my friends. But with the passage of time, you can see here, and now they are again going in the lows, my friends. So technical analysis, my research about Shiba Inu tell us that now the falling time, the dumping time of the Shiba Inu starts now. And you know what? My prediction, my technical analysis, that upcoming 2-3 days, the coming 2-3 days, my friends, I'm sure about that the price of Shiba Inu will fall down. Maybe, my friends, we can't say about the future if the price pump tomorrow, so that's really good news. But my prediction tells us that 2-3 days, my friends, the price falls down. So the purpose of making this video is that please don't lose hope. The coming soon 2-3 days price falls down, so don't lose hope. Just hold it, my friends, and be patient. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Shiba Inu? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.